Hi everyone, I'm Cherish and today we're going to be making taco soup. So now I'm going to dice the onions. Now I'm going to saute the sour corals with some onions and the seasoning. Okay, so now we're just gonna drain all of the other ingredients and get it ready. I'm gonna put everything in at the same time just because it makes life a little easier. Now I'm just gonna add in the rest of the ingredients. Add in the diced tomatoes. And 1 cup of water. And now that we have everything in the pot, we're gonna wait and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes and then it's gonna be ready.